Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Sable Albanese, and I'm so excited. In today's video, I'll be showing you a gel manicure and on my new vanity, thanks to my husband. Please don't forget to subscribe. For my gel manicure DIY, I'll be using Red Carpet Ready. I picked this up at Ulta quite a bit ago, and I am doing like a full I was like, why not? Do a full manicure. So begin your manicure, you soak your nails. I added apple cider vinegar, water, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I soaked it for a little bit. This was kind of like quick speed everything. I wasn't, being super picky about it, but I went in and just filed my nails. A quick tip when you're filing your nails, always make sure that you only go in one direction. Even though it's sped up, it might be hard to see that, but I'm only going in one direction. That keeps your nails intact and not easily broken. I like my nails more square, and now I'm going in and using a Sally Hansen cuticle cream, and that's going to help soften them up. And then I go back in water, which I didn't have to do, but I did. Again, like I said, I was just going for a little bit more like free time. This is something that I love to do, but I don't have enough free time really to do it as often as I would like to anymore. And then I'm taking an orange wood stick and I'm just pushing back my cuticle. I don't really cut them, but you will see me cut. I did have a little bit of a hangnail. You want to be careful when you're doing this. It can cause you to even get more hangnails, and they're actually a little bit more painful. So after that, I used a nail brush to remove the cuticle creams. I did use another one. It's an instant cuticle cream. And then I'm using just a little bit of olive oil and soaking my nails in that. Again, just treating my cuticles, and I think that's what keeps your nails looking nice. And then I'm using the oil. I did wash my hands in between both of these before I moved on to this step, and I will be washing my hands again before I move on to my next step. The olive oil just helps to like hydrate, and after that I'm going in and just using a light buffing. I had an issue about a year and a half ago where I had a fungus where my nails began to lift. I'll probably make a video on that later. I'm not sure why it happened. It did seem to happen after I began to use this more, almost like weekly or bi-weekly, but it probably was something just within, my industry. So I used a clear coat first, and that was first clearly fungal free. I believe that I'll leave the names of these products in the description box. And then after that, I used the Nail Envy by, oh my gosh, what's the name of that company? Again, I'm just going to leave the names down below. But yeah, I used Nail Envy, and that seemed to help repair my nails when I was going through that lifting period. And now they're back to normal. After this, you let that first structure base coat dry from Red Carpet Ready, and everything in this machine is timed for about 30 seconds or 40 seconds, something like that. You do a light first coat. You want to make sure not to get this on your cuticles at all, so you'll see me remove the nail paint with my orange wood stick just to make sure that it doesn't get on there. And dry time is so fast. That's my favorite thing about it. And I don't have a variety of colors. I have this red, which on Instagram I posted what I should choose, and everyone was like 50-50 about it, so thanks guys. But I went ahead and went with the dark red because that was actually a shirt that I was going to be wearing that night. This was New Year's Eve. After that, I just let my nails dry again. And again, the benefit of Red Carpet Ready nails or any gel manicure is that it dries pretty much instantly. After that though, I added this little extra step, which you'll see more towards the end. But I think two major things to remember is to make sure it does not touch your cuticle, but then also to regularly take care of your cuticles, pushing them back, removing the excess, and also making sure that they're hydrated, especially in the winter. So you're going to see in a second that those are my nails. They're all done, all dry. That's my favorite part. And again, just to take care of my nails, I'm going to add there's this quick dry spray. I usually don't do this, but it does help take care of your cuticles as well and not leave your hands feeling so dry. And then after that, I did open up and you saw me read instructions. I don't know, I had so much free time, like literally, I was just bored. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.